Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes when you apply for a loan or credit card? Think about it. You fill out forms, provide mountains of documentation, and then radio silence. Then, magically, you either get approved or denied. But what sorcery is this? Well, there's no magic involved, but there is a key player you might not be aware of: credit bureaus. These companies, like Transunion and Equifax, are the silent puppeteers of the credit world. They collect information about your borrowing habits, payment history, and even public records to create a credit report, essentially a financial resume. Now, when you apply for credit, lenders use this report to assess your creditworthiness, basically deciding if you're a responsible borrower. So, the question becomes, who's reading your credit report when you apply to a giant bank like Royal Bank of Canada, also known as RBC? The plot thickens: Transunion or Equifax. Here's where it gets interesting. In Canada, there are two major credit bureaus, Transunion and Equifax. Lenders typically have a preference for one or the other, but some might even check both. So, which one does RBC use? Traditionally, RBC has been known to primarily rely on Transunion for credit checks. This is reflected in their online banking features. RBC offers free access to the Transunion Credit View dashboard, allowing you to monitor your credit score directly through their platform. This points towards a strong partnership between the two. But hold on, plot twist. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and credit bureau usage isn't static. While RBC might favor Transunion, there have been reports of them using Equifax in certain situations. The specific bureau used might depend on the type of credit product you're applying for, your location, or even internal factors at RBC. Don't be left in the dark. Unfortunately, there's no guaranteed way to know for sure which bureau RBC will use in your specific case. However, there are steps you can take to stay informed. Check your free credit reports. Both Equifax and Transunion offer free access to your credit report annually. Regularly reviewing your reports allows you to identify any errors and maintain a healthy credit score. Consider credit monitoring services. These services provide ongoing credit report monitoring and alerts, keeping you informed of any changes that might affect your score. Knowing is half the battle. By familiarizing yourself with credit bureaus and the role they play, you're taking control of your financial well-being. Remember, a healthy credit score translates to better interest rates, loan approvals, and even insurance premiums. So, while we can't definitively say whether RBC uses Transunion or Equifax every single time, we've armed you with the knowledge to stay proactive about your credit health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.